In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common Ticketmaster app login and connection problems. If the Ticketmaster app is not loading properly, keeps freezing, or will not let you sign in, there are a few simple things you can do to troubleshoot it. We'll go through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can get back into the app as quickly as possible. First, completely close the Ticketmaster app and then force restart it. This is a basic step, but it often solves temporary glitches caused by the app getting stuck in the background. Make sure you do not just minimize the app. Fully close it from your recent apps list, then open it again fresh. If the app was having a minor loading issue or session error, this can clear it right away. Disconnect from Wi-Fi and switch to your cellular data. If you are already using mobile data, just make sure your connection is stable. In some cases, the issue is not with the app itself, but with the network you are connected to. Certain Wi-Fi networks can block or slow down app services, especially if the signal is weak or the network has restrictions. If you are using a VPN, turn it off before trying again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with login requests or location-based services, which may prevent the app from working correctly. If the problem continues, check whether the Ticketmaster app needs an update. Go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android and search for Ticketmaster. If an update is available, install it. App updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility updates that resolve login or connection issues. If the app is already up to date and still not working, the next step is to uninstall it completely and then reinstall it. This helps remove corrupted app data and gives you a clean version of the app to work with. Finally, if you are able to open the app but authentication keeps failing, reset your account password. This is especially helpful if your saved login details are outdated or if there has been a security-related login block. Use the password reset option on the sign-in screen, create a new secure password, and then try logging in again with the updated credentials. By following these steps carefully, you can fix most Ticketmaster app issues related to loading, connectivity, and sign-in errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.